Hey YouTube, it's Dr. Pete with Smithville Chiropractic. I've got an awesome video for you to enjoy. It's about George, a patient who's been a 3-decade user of chiropractic. He's also a 3-decade vegan, so obviously he's into his health, loves his supplements, and loves chiropractic. Here you go. Enjoy. Hey, it's Dr. Pete, chiropractor. I'm here with George. It's a long-term proponent of chiropractic. He's been seeing doctors and of chiropractic since the 90s, right? George is 73 years old. He's in fantastic shape. He attributes to being a long-term vegan for over 3 decades. He takes supplements. What do you take?
I take glucosamine and chondroitin and MSM, all for my joints, and then I do turmeric and ginger for inflammation.
So obviously the guy loves to be healthy. Health is wealth.
I try.
And how many chiropractors have you seen over the decades, would you say?
Oh, goodness me. At least a half a dozen, maybe more.
More than half a dozen? And this is his second visit with us here. What was your experience the first time like?
Oh, I'm sold on you. I told my neighbors, I think Dr. Pete's probably the best chiropractor I've been to.
Bam! Well, check is in the mail, George. Another unsolicited testimonial, and we're going to get working on him just a bit. Ready?
Right.
Face down. And you were telling me today that your wing was bothering you a little bit?
The right wing and then underneath my right arm.
Okay. And it kind of goes down here.
Yeah.
All right.
I get ticklish there.
Okay. Well, we won't push too hard, but let's scan the spine. Let's start off in the neck here. All right. Still a little tightness over here, so let's push down on it. Get these trigger points out of the way. Push out the toxins. Limber you a little bit before the adjustment. Right in there. You feel that in there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, a little bit out there too. Yeah, let's get that. So mobilize, loosen you up right in here. Right there. I'm just going to apply some pressure. Scan your lower back. Yeah, it's a little sore in there, huh?
Oh, yeah. Tender. I hate to think what it would be like if I didn't take the joint.
Yeah.
Inflammation pills.
Yes, sir. All right, check your hip play. Let's look at your leg length next.
Yeah, it was going down like.
Your left leg?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's pretty even there. Bend the knees slightly for me. It's even there. All right, good. All right, and you're saying down the left lump. I'm going to palpate your sciatic notch where the nerve comes out of your buttock. You tell me if that's tender or not, okay? Right there.
A little bit.
Just a little. Okay, good. So there's obviously some pressure. I'm going to take the base of your sacrum and push it towards your feet, lengthening out. A little decompression here in the lumbar spine. And pump it.
Yeah, I feel that.
You can kind of lengthen it out, right? Yeah, so we're going to take the pressure off it. And let's pump the spinal fluid back and forth a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Giving you life again.
Yeah.
The joint's life.
Oh, boy.
It's one of these use it or lose it sort of things.
Up here, too.
Right there in that trap. Next, I'm going to apply pressure to that sciatic notch where the piriformis is, and you'll feel this, my elbow right on there.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
And I'm just going to work it a little bit. Yes, there's a little muscle called the piriformis, and it's deep to the big gluteal muscles.
Okay.
And sometimes if it's taut or tight, it'll put pressure on the nerve as well.
Yeah.
And so I'm going to try to alleviate that by just applying pressure deep to you. See if we can work it out.
Oh, boy, yeah, I can feel that.
Sure. Some patients call it a good hurt, and others wish I would have given them a bullet to bite on. All right, but your pain tolerance is pretty high, so it sounds like you can take it.
Well,
Good.
It's not a shooting one.
Good. Perfect. All right, next let's have you flip over here, face up for me, George.
Yep.
Nice and easy. Take your
on
time.
my back?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
There. Let's put this guy underneath your knees, right, like so.
We still on TV?
I believe she is filming. Yes. You're gonna be a YouTube star before you know it. Right here, you can feel it rotated to the right.
Yeah.
Feel that in there?
Yeah.
You're going to be a big proponent for a healthy lifestyle, George.
I hope.
Just losing you. Now, not only your family or neighbors will know about you, but maybe the folks on the World Wide Web too. Right, loosen you up here. Good. Same thing to the other side. Nice and loose.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
That was good.
Now let's traction out your neck. Feel this tugging all the way down. We'll make a 10-footer out of you yet.
Oh.
Right. That trigger point, that one of the ones that we felt earlier.
Right.
Let's kind of work that puppy over right in here.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's deep in there, huh?
Yeah.
Good. All right. Head up for me slightly and sneak this little pillow underneath. Perfect. Now let's get you doing the arm spread.
Oh, yeah,
we did this last week.
Right. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah,
work your shoulder over.
Oh, I can feel that.
Work your.
Oh, the butt hurt.
It's a little tender right there.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Just light pressure.
Oh, wait.
There. Shoulder right there. Sternum. Good. Good.
That's the first time this thing is hurt.
Yeah, it's a little sore over there, huh?
Yeah.
Next time, how you cross your arms over your chest.
Like this?
Yes, sir. Right there. Kind of love on yourself. We'll get right behind the shoulder blades that you were complaining about.
Yeah.
Deep breath. Exhale it out.
Oh, boy.
One more time. In, out. Good. There we go. You felt a little bit of that down there?
That hurts, yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Keep it easy right there. And then we'll bring the knee out here. We'll traction this way. Just let it go. Loosey-goosey. Traction out. Same thing over here. Let it loose. Perfect. Nice and straight.
Yeah.
Pull this guy out. All right. Come on up.
Oh, boy.
I'm going to have you face this way.
Face it down?
Face. And then we talked about that pulling down here.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna hold the spot, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a soft fist.
Yeah.
You reach back and you slowly punch out across your body.
Okay.
And while you're doing that, I'm gonna hold back here. Breathe. Feel that back there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We're gonna break up the tightness in the soft tissue, the muscles, the fascia. Okay, right there. And then next, you're gonna just go up this way, if you would. You can feel that pulling.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, partner. Hey, YouTube. Hope you enjoyed that video. It's a little glimpse of what we do here in the office. And if you liked it, please smash the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends.